everyone. Welcome back to Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please, and subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone. Hey, everyone. Hi. My name is Mia.
And I'm Emma.
We're really happy you're here today.
Yes, thank you for spending some time with us.
So, Emma, how's your morning going?
It's pretty good. I woke up a little slow today, though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was thinking a lot this morning.
Oh, really? About what?
About my dream last night.
Oh, dreams.
Yeah, it was a strange one.
I love talking about dreams.
Me too. They can be funny or scary or confusing.
Totally.
Sometimes I wake up and think, what was that?
Same here.
So today we're going to talk about something fun.
Yes,
We're going to talk about dreams and English.
the English of dreams.
Exactly.
And don't worry,
Yes,
we'll use very simple English,
very simple.
like two friends talking.
So Mia, before we start,
Yeah?
did you dream last night?
Let me think.
Smiles, waits.
Yes, I did.
Really?
Yeah, I dreamed I was late for work.
Oh no.
I was running.
Running?
Yes, I was running, but my legs were very slow.
Oh, I hate those dreams.
Me too. I wanted to move fast, but I couldn't.
That's a very common dream.
Really?
Yes, many people dream about being late.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Dreams are interesting like that.
They really are.
Okay, let's slow down a bit.
Sure.
Let's start very simple.
Okay.
What is a dream?
A dream is something you see or feel when you sleep.
Yes,
Your eyes are closed, but your mind is awake.
that's a nice way to say it.
Sometimes dreams feel very real,
Very real.
and sometimes they are very strange,
Like flying.
or talking to animals.
Yes,
Emma, do you dream a lot?
I think so.
Every night?
Not every night, but many nights.
Do you remember your dreams?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same here.
Usually, I remember dreams when I wake up slowly.
Oh, that makes sense.
If I wake up fast, I forget everything.
Yeah, like the dream disappears.
Exactly.
Okay, so now let's talk about English.
Yes,
When we talk about dreams in English, we use some common words.
very common words.
For example,
I had a dream.
or I dreamed about something.
Right.
You can say, I had a dream last night.
Very easy.
Or you can say, I dreamed about my family.
Or I dreamed about school.
Let's give a simple example.
Okay.
I had a strange dream.
I had a funny dream.
I had a scary dream.
Scary dreams are also called,
Nightmares.
yes, nightmares.
Emma, do you have nightmares?
Not often.
That's good.
But when I was a child, yes.
Me too.
I dreamed about monsters.
Oh no.
It was scary back then.
As adults, our dreams change.
Yes, they do.
We dream about work
Or money.
or family.
Or stress.
Yeah, stress dreams.
Like your dream about being late.
Exactly.
In English, we often talk about dreams like stories.
Yes,
We say what happened.
step by step.
For example,
First, I was at home.
then I went outside.
Suddenly, something strange happened.
Suddenly is a great dream word.
I love that word.
Dreams often change suddenly.
Yes, one moment you're at home,
And the next moment you're at the beach.
or in another country.
So true.
Emma, do you think dreams have meaning?
That's a big question.
Smiles. Take your time.
I think sometimes yes.
Sometimes?
Yes, not always.
I agree.
Some dreams are just silly.
Like dreaming about pizza.
Yes,
But some dreams show our feelings.
exactly.
For example, if you're nervous
you might dream about tests.
or being late,
If you're happy,
you might have nice dreams.
peaceful dreams.
In English, we can say, "This dream shows my feelings."
Or this dream means I'm stressed.
Very natural English.
Yes,
Let me share one of my dreams.
please do.
Okay, pauses, thinks, smiles, listens. Last week, I dreamed I was back in school.
Oh, wow.
I was sitting in a classroom,
How did you feel?
nervous.
Nervous?
Yes, I didn't study.
Oh, no.
The teacher was looking at me.
Oh, no.
I woke up and thought, why?
Yeah, why?
I think it's because I had a lot of work that week.
That makes sense.
My mind was busy.
Dreams often come from our daily life.
Yes, things we see,
Things we think about.
even things we watch on TV.
Oh, yes. Have you ever dreamed about a movie?
Yes, many times.
Me too.
Sometimes my dreams feel like movies
With stories and scenes.
and strange endings.
That's true.
Now, let's help our listeners.
Yes.
If you want to talk about your dreams in English,
You don't need big words.
simple is good.
Very good.
You can say, I dreamed about,
In my dream, I was.
or in my dream, I felt.
Felt is important.
Feelings are a big part of dreams.
Happy.
Sad,
Scared.
confused.
Confused is a perfect dream word.
Yes, very perfect.
Dreams are often confusing.
Another good phrase is, it felt very real.
Or it felt strange.
These are natural phrases Americans use.
All the time.
Emma, do you talk about dreams with your friends?
Sometimes.
When?
Usually in the morning.
Like, I had a weird dream.
Exactly.
Weird means strange, not bad.
Just strange.
Right.
Sometimes my friend says, I had the strangest dream.
I love that sentence.
Me too.
Let's act out a small example.
Okay.
Hey, Emma, you look tired.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well.
Why?
I had a strange dream.
Very natural.
Very easy.
No hard grammar.
No stress. That's important for beginners.
Yes, don't worry about being perfect.
Speaking English is like dreaming.
Oh, that's interesting.
Sometimes it's messy.
Sometimes it doesn't make sense.
Sometimes it's okay.
Yes,
The more you practice, the better it feels.
just like understanding your dreams.
I like that.
Me too.
Before we finish, I want to say one thing.
Okay.
Dreams are personal.
Yes,
There is no right or wrong dream.
just like English.
You don't need perfect English to share a dream.
You just need simple words
And of confidence.
and kindness to yourself.
Smiles warmly.
Smiles back.
So tonight,
When you go to sleep,
maybe you'll have a dream.
and tomorrow,
Try to talk about it in English.
just one sentence is enough.
I had a dream.
That's a great start.
Always start small.
Thank you for listening today.
Yes, thank you so much.
We hope you enjoyed this calm conversation.
And we hope you feel more comfortable with English.
And with your dreams.
Sweet dreams, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.